So we had a spur of the moment adventure today. We drove to Charlotte to IKEA. We're gonna go in and see what we can find. Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm ready now. We're in IKEA. We're looking for some Swedish meatballs. Micah says they're delicious here. So we're in the little food court at IKEA. It's almost like Disney World. Okay, we're gonna get some Swedish meatballs and then we're gonna shop. What are we getting, Micah? Swedish meatballs? So you get a tray and you go through the line. And you can choose shortcake layered with fresh whipped cream and strawberry preserves. Or you can get a salad.
The salads look pretty good.
What are we getting? Anything?
Not yet.
Okay, we have a serious problem here at IKEA. The soda machines are out of order. That means no Dr. Pepper. What am I gonna do? You gotta choose water, or Shasta Cola, or apple juice, or chocolate milk, or orange juice. Micah chooses LaCroix, whatever that is. No, we got apple juice, okay. And they have some tea over there in the bottle. Okay, I am choosing nothing. Swedish meatballs. Okay, so then we walk over here, past all the little goodies they want you to buy. And, oh, more. Do they have a regular Pepsi? I do not think so. We pay over here, just like Disney World. Here's our Swedish meatballs, mashed potatoes and peas from IKEA. Oh, y'all got the
Flags.
What is that right there, that little round green thing?
The vegetable medallion.
Vegetable medallion.
You like it?
Yeah.
The last one of these I tried was awful.
Then why'd you get it again?
It's a different flavor.
Ginger. Oof.
When we leave here, I'm gonna have to get something to drink.
You didn't even just want water?
You pick up this big yellow bag. Show me the bag, Erica. This is our shopping bag. I don't know how it's gonna fit a couch in it, but we're gonna try. Okay, Richard has found some napkins for $5. I don't think we need any napkins. I like this little setup right here. Exactly, that's what I'm doing. I like those two little plants. Oh no. Some furniture everywhere. Never-ending furniture. Chairs everywhere. And Micah chose to sit down in one. So some interesting looking chairs over here. Last chance to get these shoes here at IKEA. Is that $1.49? No.
It's the stand.
The stand is $1.49. The shoes are $129.99. Lots of pillows everywhere. Any kind of pillow you could possibly want.
There you go. You gave that one for good and $7 for writing a little.
All kind of rugs. Any kind of rug you might want. Some home organization things. Lighting. Lamps. Okay, so we just finished the entire IKEA store. It was a lot of fun. I'm glad we came. Now I know what it's all about. Lots of furniture, lots of housewares, and we got a splatter guard for the microwave. We drove all the way to Charlotte just for that. Okay, so Erica, what do you think about IKEA?
I love IKEA.
She's been here lots of times.
Yeah, I got what I needed.
It's my first time here, but it was lots of fun. So,
Would you do it again?
I don't know.
Not sure?
Not sure, but it was fun. I'm glad I came.
Me
So,
too.
Anyway, if you like this video on IKEA, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel so you can follow us on all of our adventures. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.